Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the highest quality video result when you editing your video in CapCut. So here you just need to edit your video in a 9:16 ratio. So click on the ratio and change it into this 9:16 if you haven't, and after that just finish your edits, and lastly go to adjust before you exporting. Okay, so in here set the contrast and saturation to 5 and then sharpen 20. Okay, now click on a check icon and make sure that the adjustment apply to whole clips like this. Then click on this box right here and make sure that the resolution is on the 1080p and the frame rate is on 30. Okay, after that you can just click on the arrow to export your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.